Hey, John Ferguson Smart here. I saw someone post a question recently about property-based testing and example-based approaches for testing. And basically they were saying that they'd read that example-based testing is not very good at finding edge cases. Is that the case? Well, it's true. If your examples only look at happy day scenarios, which often I see teams doing, they just use their 3 amigos, their discovery, to talk about the happy cases, then effectively it will not be very good at finding edge cases. But if you use example-based techniques like behaviour-driven development, where you use what we call deliberate discovery to flesh out those edge cases, to ask questions like, what if this? What if this? What else could happen? How else could we get this outcome? What other inputs do we need to consider? What could possibly go wrong? If you ask all these questions during your discovery session, then BDD practices like example mapping and feature mapping, which are all example-based techniques, are extremely good at finding edge cases. And what's the connection with property-based testing? Well, property-based testing is a testing technique. It's a tool, it uses libraries and tools to explore different variations, and it's more of a testing approach, which is fine. It's a good way of flushing out error cases and edge cases, but it's quite different from the idea of a BDD approach, where you're talking about having conversations and getting clarity on those edge cases before you go anywhere near the testing. BDD is not a testing approach. BDD is about having the conversation. So I wanted to clarify those points. Thanks for listening, folks.